In 2005, they changed the bankruptcy laws. One of the major changes in the bankruptcy laws was they're going to enact what's known as a means test. A means test, and it's very hard to explain, but it's basically a formula that we use to decide whether or not you make too much money. Normally what happens is they look at the average income of a single person in North Carolina, or two people, a family of two, or maybe a husband and wife of 3 kids. They base the means test upon the number of people that you have in the household. And then they look at your expenses. And if you make too much money and don't have enough expenses also, you would probably fail the means test. And then what happens at that time is you're forced, if you decide to file a bankruptcy, to file a Chapter 13, not a Chapter 7, and you have to pay back a percentage of your creditors over a 5-year payback plan. So generally speaking, what they do is they say, well, if you're making plenty of money, you make good money, then you can afford to pay back some of these debts, and they would force you to do that. The majority of the people that come to see me, though, pass the means test, and normally speaking, they can wipe out the debts. But if you're making, for example, if you're a single person and you make, say, $50,000 per year, there's a good chance you may have to pay back a percentage of these debts. Not all of them, but generally speaking, 10 to 20% of the debts, and have to do a Chapter 13, again, which is the repayment plan.